you guys for so much subscribers. Thank you so much for 87 subscribers. Don't mind the mess, okay? So first, we're gonna do our makeups.
Ang tawag ko ng Carolina sa mga walang karaniwan ang tawag ko. Regular kung
Let's get our foundation makeup.
may component.
Oh, you can see it.
Yan yung tawag ng conscious may
It looks like there's nothing here, bro. I think this is my shade. It's not really that much of my shade. Oh, it can't. I think it's my shade. It's like disappearing when I apply it. I literally can't see something with it. Okay.
Art, yung pagsamba po, 7:30 pa rin po ng Sabado? Or gano'n?
Hindi na po babagay ko yan.
Okay.
Kasi may iigit ko yung mga may pasok ko ng
Oh my palette is all gone, bro.
Pinaliwanag ko na rin po yun sa
Okay, so I don't need to worry about this much. The powder, because this is a foundation powder. So I apply it at the same time. There's a lot in there, see guys. So it's gonna last me like 2 years or 1 year. Okay, don't mind that. Definitely not me doing the online. Oh, I wish that like this, the one that has like this, and say this will my once again for so many subscribers. I only joined on January 25. But my post was on February.
Hindi sinabi ko may guidance na marami pong mga apektuhan. Ako na po mismo ang nagsakit. Kasi kung si Kaya na maglalapit, oo na yun. Kasi ko po baguhin, kahit sasabihin, kahit sa dapat, hindi na naman yung mga kapatid, hindi na yung para sa kanya.
So, for the foundation of Orga, in the foundation, and also the how. Oh no, I'm going to apply my primer, bro. I think we have to remove it. It's not, that's a waste, but there's so much.
Pinabayaran natin yung renta ng Sabado.
If you didn't watch my video, you don't know why I have this deodorant bottle. I absolutely washed it. Why wouldn't I wash it? It would be disgusting if deodorant on me. But the face, I washed it with soap, okay, and put water in it, not deodorant. And these deodorants for my mom. So let's apply our celebration makeup. Because we just reached 87 Thank you guys so much. Oh yeah, I'm so happy. I think we're gonna reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I hate getting my hands sticky. Now do 3 rows.
yun lang siguro po mga
Feels so
kapatid. Kung meron po
weird.
tayong karakter agad may pabot, i-message nyo na lang po sa akin. Kasi wala po naman. Wala po tayo
Sticky.
sa po.
Okay.
Pwede na yun naman po ang kain
Can I
natin.
go?
Maayos naman po.
Diyan tayo sa lubungin mo si Zion tsaka si Tito Mark doon sa ano.
Oh wait, guys, I have to go. Wait, hey guys, I have to get my little brother in the door. Super shine, super shine. Has that cloud like this is not my favorite.
Samahan mo po kami sa dami ng pagpaparanas ng
Can you guys
mga
see
suliranin
the
mga bagay.
door?
Yung maano ang maganda kung wala akong maganda na sinasakwa na nakakasama maawa ako sa amin. At ayun, maraming magiging bumarapin sa akin. Ang mga po ang aking
Say hi, Sam. Okay, so there we have flies. Maybe some lush. Napaka-fly much. Super shine, super shine. Apply some highlighter. Highlighter. Oh. That is looking really good. Maybe let's come. Okay, that's cute.
Okay, so thank you po.
Mommy, sino yun? Sino yung little girl?
Little girl na.
Yung little girl.
The big girl.
Kasama ko sa school?
No.
Kapag kayo yung tinatanong ko yung comment na bakit ka nakain ng ice cream?
Tito Mark gave it to him.
Oh no.
We're done. I'm not applying lipstick. I'm not applying lip gloss, not lipstick.
Oh
my God.
Bye. Hey, no more. No more. Bye. Level. Peekaboo.
Oh, I've just found it. Hello. Hands up, Gabriella. Anyways, here's the finishing look. Bye.